What's up, everybody? Mosaic Early Bird. It's break 2891. We're full. Fresh set of dice. We go 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Eagles up top. Dolphins to the bottom. Five times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, 5 here. 3 and 2. 5 here. Also, 5 here. Andrew Culp up top. Trevor at the bottom. I'll teach you something, Trev. Got the Dolphins. Although Mosaic is tough for me. Sort them. They did all sort but the Eagles. I'll print it twice. And we'll rip it. Good luck. Again, guys, there's still spots left in 2817. Let me send out a notification here. And we'll get off the ripping. Again, guys, open spots in 2817. This is the Mosaic Early Bird. Again, guys, rather quick break here. 2816 will go. 2817 has spots. What up, big dog? 2833. That's a pick your color, guys. Take your spots there. Take your spots in the pick your color break. There's just 5 colors left, I believe. What up, Bodner? Again, guys, we'll get 5 or 6 more breaks off for sure, so take your spots. It is early. It's 9:30. We have not even hit the 11 o'clock bird. That is full. We still have several breaks fairly close to filling. 2833 being one of them. That's a pick your color break. I'll do fillers if I have to. Good luck. Jamison Williams on the rook. Trey Lance, National Pride. Damian Pierce. Chuba on the silver. Blue Chips of Kenny Pickett. Right behind it, Blue Chips Silver of Kenny Pickett. Tom Hall hitting a couple KPs. Christian Watson for the pack. Danny Gray, John Mechie on the Mosaic. Red of Deshaun Watson, that is not numbered. Looks like we got gold. Montage of Joey Burrow. 1 out of 10 for the Natty. Brian Rathel, nice hit, buddy. We got gold montage of Joey Burrow. Nice hit. Nice hit there. 1 out of 10 on the gold Burrow. Nico Collins, we got blue rook of John Mechie for the Texans. Houston going out to Vaso to 99. Last little stack of the first half. Trayvon Walker, Marino. Excuse me. Malik on the base. Again, guys, take those spots in 28-17. It will go. Don't miss out. Red of Calvin Austin on the rook. Center stage of Phil Simms. Again, last half of the break here. Chris O, Pierre Strong, Juszczyk, red of Montana. Stairmasters of Najee. Auto for the Ravens. To 99, 51 out of 99, Kyle Hamilton. Ravens and Tom McSweeney. Calvin Austin on the silver. Malik Willis. Montage of Herbie. Blue chips of Sam Howell. Kid Reporter. Garrett Wilson on the rook. We got purple of Kadarius Toney for the G-Men to 49. Introductions of Ritter. Straight Fire of Mac, Kid Reporter. Again, guys, take your spots on the site. Trayvon Walker base or second auto. Jelani Woods for the Colts. Again, a blue, I believe, to 99. 18 out of 99 for the Colts. And Grant Whitley. Last half here, last little stack. Let's hit something nice. Breece Hall for the Jets. Terry Bradshaw silver swagger of Derrick Henry. That is not numbered in a Kid Reporter. Again, guys, 28.91. That was the Mosaic bird. Let's recap. Breece Hall. This is a super cheap break here. Again, guys, these will be loaded up. Auto of Jelani Woods to 99. Kadarius auto of Kyle Hamilton to 99. Mechie to 99. Montage of Joey Burrow for the Bengals. Gold to 10. 1 out of 10. Nice hit there. Brian Raffle. Nice hit, guys. Again, that's the break. That was the bird. That was break 28.91. It's in the box now.